The price of Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $75,000, and President Trump has now won the election. It is confirmed. It's incredible. Like, everybody's so euphoric. Every single crypto that you can think of is currently pumping. If we go to the live election count, he actually now got confirmed. His presidency is now confirmed. If we look at Polymarket, there's a 0.6% chance that Kamala Harris is going to win the election. And the price of Bitcoin went absolutely to the moon, to $75,000. We talked about this downward sloping trend line over on the Moon Show and said that, look, if Trump does win the election, then the price of Bitcoin is most likely going to create a new all-time high and go to $74,000. So that was exactly as predicted. Q4 seasonality for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, in terms of where we should be in the cycle, is now exactly where we should be. And we're just going to go up and up and up. You can see Dogecoin had a massive rally. Shout out to all the Dogecoin warriors. I've been talking about Dogecoin for so long, for now a year and a half actually, and finally Dogecoin is making its move. We can go to Tesla and DJT. Now the stock market isn't open, the futures market isn't open, so like the pre-market, it's still not live yet, but I'm predicting Tesla to see a massive gain, same as DJT stock. The dollar is increasing because of course a Trump president or Trump in the presidency means that the dollar value is going to become stronger. I think he had the greatest comeback in American history. It's super rare for a president to serve a term and then not win an election and then come back. I think it's like the first time in American history that this is happening. I think somebody that's very nervous currently is definitely Gary Gensler, because one of Trump's many promises for Bitcoin people was firing Gary Gensler in his term as presidency. And he will actually be able to do that because you can see that the House of Representatives is mostly pro-crypto candidates, and the Senate is also mostly pro-crypto candidates too. And this means that because Congress is also Republican now, and you can also see everything on the TV, maybe I should have done that actually. Probably would have been nicer to put things up and then go to the TV. Let's actually do it because I think it's a cool idea. Now, the Congress, right, which is made up of the Senate and the House of Representatives, them being pro-crypto means that with a president, right, so if the president wants to put, let's say, a pro-crypto SEC chair, or he wants to pass pro-crypto regulation, he will be able to do this because he'll have support of the legislative branch of government allowing him to pass his laws. If you go back to President Obama, he did not have a unified government for the entirety of his term, basically. He only had a unified government where Congress and the executive were both Democrats on his first year. But after his first year, it wasn't unified. So that's why Obama wasn't able to do that much during his presidency. Now, President Trump will have the Congress and, of course, the presidency to make change and bring out crypto regulation. And please, guys, don't get this video wrong. Like, I don't really care too much about who President Trump is and who Kamala Harris is and their different sorts of policies for their own agenda. I only want to focus on the crypto policies specifically because that is what will impact us, the crypto kids, and hopefully bring the second half of the bull market with full force. You can see that Elon Musk is celebrating. Like, I'm just going through the top news as we speak. We did a Moon Show earlier on this morning. By the way, check it out if you haven't already watched that Moon Show. There's going to be another one at 5 p.m. GST. You can see that Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin, and the probability of President Trump winning the election are actually incredibly correlated. You can see that the markets do want to see a Trump victory. This was the election odd of fueled from Polymarket. You can see that the Trump election went up and the price of Bitcoin went up respectively. There's only one issue. The ETFs have sold over the past 2 days. I think this was because of uncertainty. Like, up to now, it was very uncertain on who was really going to end up winning the election. And now that we have certainty, I'm expecting over $2 billion worth of inflows to come into these ETFs within the next 48 hours. And that could even push the price of Bitcoin towards 80,000 before the end of this week. But you can see this is super bullish. If you go to the weekly time frame, we should have another Bitcoin chart here. If we don't, we can just zoom out to the weekly time frame. The bull flag has been broken out finally after like 9 months of consolidation. Like, everything has essentially broken out here. You have the bull flag breaking out, you have the descending broadening channel breaking out. Everything is confirmed with Bitcoin at 74.5. All of the bullish patterns that you can imagine of, the cup and handle pattern, the inverse head and shoulders pattern, All of them are confirmed with a breakout on this weekly candle. And like the cycle history is repeating. It's so funny that we know exactly what is going to happen, right? If you go back and zoom out on this cycle, you can see that every single time following an election, no matter who wins the presidency, the price of Bitcoin just goes extremely higher after the month of November. So November and onwards is when the price of Bitcoin starts rocketing. The same thing is going to happen. And the best way to prepare is to have Bitcoin in your portfolio, have Ethereum in your portfolio, super undervalued. Like Ethereum is so cheap and it will eventually catch up to Bitcoin. Altcoins are dirt cheap. Yes, in the past 24 hours, if we look at Banter Bubbles very quickly, in the past 24 hours, altcoins have went up. Specific altcoins have went up drastically. In fact, in the past 6 days, Radium is up 101%, Jupiter up 27%, Ape is up 35%. But if you look at Arweave, down 23%, Render down 10%, Ton down 10%. Like altcoins haven't even seen anything in respect to what we will see in 2025. So a lot of the major cap altcoins will go 10x from where we are today, and a lot of the degen ones will go up to 100x from where we are today. So if you have a balanced portfolio of Bitcoin, Ethereum, major cap altcoins, and degen plays, you will make so much money in this bull market. But guys and girls, with that said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to destroy the like button. I'll probably do another update on this channel later on in the evening. So stay tuned, turn on the notification bell, and of course, watch the moon show in the evening time. But thank you for watching. Congratulations, and I'll see you all on the next video very soon. Take care, and bye-bye.